remember picking out what looks to be a denim jacket. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. Today is another Stitch Fix day. I will put all the information down below. If you've never tried Stitch Fix before, there'll be a link down below you can use to get $25 off your first box, and I will get $25 off of my next box. So if you're interested in trying it out, just look for that down below. You always get a note from your stylist and the invoice, and then they send you ideas on how to style what they sent you. And always a return mail envelope. But let me dig into this and let's see what I got. Okay, let's start with the shoes. I know what they are because I just saw them on that little sheet of paper. These are the Adeline Fabric Knot Sandal, size 7.5 by Mia. I do not remember picking out what looks to be a denim jacket. It is cute. That is cute. It's by Market & Spruce. It is the Camilla Boyfriend denim jacket. Just happen to have on a denim jacket today. I think that's awfully cute and completely different than what I have on right now. So I really love that, and I love jackets. Love them. Okay, Liverpool jeans. I love Liverpool as well. Chloe Capri rolled cuff jean. Very, very cute. I like the wash. I like the dark wash. Not any distressing. Very stretchy. They're pull-ons. It says not your average pull-on. Meet Chloe. So I like the looks of that. Okay, this is the Kearney Henley top by Fun to Fun. I think this is cute. It's navy with some teal, gray flowers. Really pretty. Looks a little long. So maybe a little bit longer in the back than the front. So maybe a tunic. We'll see. And then last is the Christelle button-down blouse by Fortune and Ivy. And this looks cute too. I like button-downs. I like button-down blouses, and I like white. This has got black checks, crisscross, whatever you call that. And it has two front pockets, buttons all the way down, and it's pretty sheer. I don't know if you can see that, but that's pretty sheer. Probably have to wear a cami under it, but really cute. Let me go try them on, and we'll see what we think. I'll be right back. Okay, these are the Chloe Capri rolled cuff jeans by Liverpool. They're Liverpool, so I like them. I think they're really, really cute. I like the cuffed bottom. I like that they're capri. And then this is the Market & Spruce Camilla Boyfriend denim jacket. And I'm a jacket girl. I like this. I think it's really cute. There's the back. Don't have this color. I just have the one that you saw, the kind of medium wash is the only. I've got a pink denim jacket. And then if you watched my last Trendsend video, you know I sent back a black Liverpool jacket that I am going to reorder. So, because I really, really loved it and I regretted sending it back. So I'll have a black and a pink, and then the mid-wash blue, and then if I decide to keep this, I don't know how much it is, but I think it's very cute and I like it. So there's this, and now let me show you the top. Okay, here's the top. It's pretty long. I think it's really cute. I like the sleeves, the 3/4 sleeves. I like the print. I think the print is pretty. I like the little contrast at the bottom. This is the Kearney Henley top by Fun to Fun. I think it's really cute. I like that it's a little long, but it's light enough that you could tuck it in if you wanted to, or do just a front tuck or whatever. But I like this. Let me show you one more thing. This is the Christelle button-down top by Fortune and Ivy, and I really like this. I really do. I just did a little front tuck. I just think this is really cute and really versatile. It is sheer, but with a nude color bra, I don't really feel like you can see anything, and I feel like the pockets are strategically placed that you don't have to worry about that. So I don't have a cami on, and I don't think anything shows. I really like this. It does have the button tab sleeves, which I'm not a huge fan of. I just think the rest of this is so cute that maybe I could live with it. Let's do a really quick wrap up, and I will tell you about the shoes when we get back. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I did not realize, because I did not read the message, but I got a new stylist this time, and it is Liza, and I think she did a pretty good job. I picked out 3. I think I picked out the 2 blouses and probably the jeans, the Liverpool jeans. Oh, no, the shoes and the 2 tops, I do believe, and that's all. I have told them I'm kind of done with jeans, but I do like these, of course. I am not going to try on these shoes because I did put them on my unpedicured feet, and they're a little too short. They were very comfortable. I think anytime you've got fabric, it's going to be a little more comfortable, but I think they're very cute. Just know I'm not going to keep them, so didn't want to do any more than just put them on and take them off. And they are, let's see, $49.50. Okay. I like the jean jacket. I'm gonna definitely have to look back on the video and see what I think, because I didn't know if I loved it on me, and I'm telling y'all, I said it before, the camera and the mirror can be so different. I don't know what it is. This is, again, the Market and Spruce Camilla Boyfriend Denim Jacket, and it is $78. Like I say, without even knowing how much it wasn't that much in love with it, so I'll have to see what I think. This I really, really liked. This is the Fortune and Ivy Christelle button-down blouse in white. It's $42. Probably gonna keep this. I liked this one too. This is the Kearney Henley top Fun to Fun, and it's $44. I think it's really cute too. I always love Liverpool jeans, and I do like that these are crop and that they're like a dark wash without any distressing whatsoever. But let's see how much they are. They're $78, so not terrible. I'm leaning towards probably these 2 tops, maybe the jeans, and then the jacket after I see what I think when I watch it back. And then if I do keep these 4, I'd probably keep the shoes. And I think Liza did a good job. So let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.